y'all, happy Sunday, June the 27th, right? Okay, so yeah, y'all, it's a beautiful day, it really is. It is very windy. I'm gonna go outside in the back and sit like all the way in the back, get some breeze, because I think it's actually about to rain. Y'all, it's 4:30 in the evening. I didn't really want to do anything because, to be honest, I'm kind of tired from yesterday. I had a really good day yesterday, like a really good day. Just being around some open-minded people. The kids were having fun, all that great stuff. So yeah, I slept in, and that's it. But we are going to get ready to make us a smoothie, and I'm going to turn this camera around so y'all can see why it's so light in this bathroom. So I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see. But this is outfit of the day. I'm not doing anything to far as like no shoes or anything because I'm not going anywhere. This is an outfit that I had like years ago. You probably remember, probably like last summer, but still fits, even though I gained probably, like, people say they can't see it, but I think they're lying. I gained a few pounds, but nothing serious. But yeah, yeah, so can y'all see the light? Hold on, let me try to turn the light off in here, and then I'll see if you guys can see. Uh-oh, you can't see it. Can't see it, but we're too light, y'all. Sorry, but this is the light, and all that is that is the light that was in the family room, and the family room light got switched out. And then I will show you guys probably another video like really how that looks. But stay tuned because I'm going to get ready to make me a smoothie, and we'll come back. So we won't be going outside because it's starting to rain. I did not know it was going to rain this soon, but I wanted to sit all the way back here. So plans have changed, and then too, the wind is really blowing. So I don't know, y'all. I'm just going to go, like I said, back in the kitchen, and I'm going to go and make my smoothie. Okay, so hold the line, please. And I need to. Hey guys, I'm just going to let you guys hear the rain because that's exactly what it's doing. Raining here. Let me make sure that's not too much light, and we're going to go ahead and make this smoothie. Okay, so yeah, listen to the rain because it's so soothing. So guys, in today's smoothie, I just wanted something to like give me some energy, kind of. Not saying I don't have energy, but I do have energy. So I forgot, let me get my oat milk. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, and this milk is good, y'all. This oat milk is really good. I'm gonna pour some of that in here. Let's see what else I want in here. I'm gonna use up my vinegar as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some red cranberries from Trader Joe's, you already know, and my frozen banana that I had in the freezer until I got ready to use it, but I had it thawing out, which I should have heard and did it, because it was hot here, y'all. It was really hot. It's like 89 degrees, but now that it started raining, hopefully it will, it's going to cool off now, so yeah. We're going to use some watermelon. This is the last of my watermelon, guys. The very last. Let me know too, do y'all make smoothies, and what kind of stuff do y'all like to put in y'all's? You know? I would like to hear. I just wanted this to be sweet along with some energy, guys, and the ginger is going to give you the energy. Yeah, I love pineapple. Love pineapple. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So yeah, guys, like I said, yesterday was amazing. I really had a good time, like I said, being around people, like-minded people, especially my mom and my and the boys, you know. So that's always fun. Y'all might have a little bit too much milk in here. Let me drink some. super good. Super good. Y'all hear the rain? Pouring, pouring, pouring. All right. We're done with all that stuff. Let's get a piece of ginger. Trying to see where I can cut it from, where the skin is kind of peeled. I'll cut it from here. And I want to taste it. So if you're gonna put ginger in your smoothies, y'all, put enough in there where you can taste it. I normally don't peel it, but this has skin. I don't fall off on it, so let's just do this. Mix it off. And then I'm going to add my cinnamon. I'm not going to do turmeric because I didn't use mango. I didn't do like all the yellows. Usually when I do all the yellows for my spinach, for my smoothie, I tend to put turmeric in it. So since we didn't do that or use that today, we're not going to put any in there. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. And hopefully we don't have an overload. And I'll come back with you guys. I just wanted to show y'all my invigorating smoothie. Here she goes. So I'll come back, okay? Alright guys, there we have it. Let's see what she tastes like. I know she tastes good. I know she tastes good. Really good with that oat milk. Good. So guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. We're going to go in the office and sit down if I have some good lighting. Alright guys, I think the lighting is good, so what I wanted to do was just say thank you guys for commenting on my videos. I'm going to go to the, let me see, what video is this? I'm going to go to the one that I did about the canvases and whoever commented, you know, I will look at your comment and pause it. Just look at the comments and say something to you guys, or maybe, what do you call it, do a shout out or something. So for this video, I'm going to shout out Sharon Renee. She said, first canvas, add black trim, love it. Third canvas, make the shiny black gold. Make the shiny black gold. I'm trying to think which one is she talking about. Okay, well, okay. Multi-faced me. Hey lady, my faves are number 2 and number 3. You've been busy. Yeah, I have a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, Sonia. Let me see. Jay Johnson, blessings, Sonia. Nice artwork and thanks for sharing. You're very welcome. I love sharing. Linda Burris, she said, you're so creative. I like the 3-circle painting and I like the painting above the washing machine. Now, I didn't do the one above the washing machine. I got that from, not above the washing machine, it's above the dryer now, but I got that from the bins. I think it was like $3 or $4 because the paper in the back was messed up. So yeah, I got that from the bins. And Irish 1424 said, I like the black and white canvas, but not that shiny part. The black and white one, but not. Oh, she's talking about this one. Irish, you like this one? I like this one too. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see it in this video, but I covered it up. I went back over it. I think I mentioned it that I was gonna do that in the last video, that I was gonna go over it because the shiny part came from when I had all those, the canvases that I repainted actually was from the old home, which when we had mirrored stuff and I had more like fashion like flashy stuff. So I kind of got away from that because it's just too much, y'all, a little bit. Not that it was too much cleaning because it wasn't wasn't nobody here but us, or the kids would come. So that wasn't the factor. The factor was too much of that stuff you don't have any peace. So I like my home to have peace in it. The energy has to be right. When you come home from a long day's work, you want to, woosah, you want some peace. So the last video, I'm going to shout out Marilyn Goody, Goo Dry. Hi, the boys are really growing. Good family fun. You have a blessed and wonderful weekend. You do the same. Thank you so much. Thank you. Simply Southern Reflections. I enjoy watching your plants. I enjoy watching your, okay, she said, I enjoy watching your plants are looking very healthy. Nice, fun video. Thank you, and shout out to Simply Southern Reflections. Thank you so much. Sophisticated Mama, nice seeing you. Nice seeing you. I hope you're doing well. Hey Sonia, I've been watching your videos. Wouldn't miss your simple way of living and your Bible tea time. Very enjoyable. Oh, thank you so much. So today, y'all, the smoothie is really good too, y'all. Smoothie is good. It did stop raining, so probably once I'm finished with my smoothie and rain, I might go for a walk or I might just relax. But I got this, let me turn my stuff over because people are nosy on here. But I got this book, a guy gave it to me yesterday from my mom's, the thing that we went to. And it's just the international version, the new international version NIV. This is the New Testament. So it starts from like, the New Testament starts from like Matthew and it goes all the way to, what is that? To Peter. Yeah, Matthew to Peter. So that's just the New Testament. So I thought that was nice. So guys, I don't have any tea time today. I just want you guys to just live as peaceful as you can. Be good to people. And I say that for a reason. There's a red robin in the tree. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Now if I pick up the camera and get ready to try to show y'all, because the tree is like right here. This is the tree that's on the driveway side. I cannot think of the name of that tree either. I'm going to find out the name of the tree because it's so pretty. But I was going to say if I turn the camera around, the bird will fly off. You know how it goes. But yeah, just live really good, really clean. I mean, I know it can be hard sometimes because we are surrounded by people who don't know how to treat others. But you have to remember, you're really not living for them. You're living for yourself. And you're living for the Father who's really watching your every movement, who knows you, your insides and your outs. So don't worry about those people. Just try to live and do the best that you can. Like I say, always help people in a helping hand. Be grateful, be thankful, be blessed in all you do. And just remember too, love on yourself first. And when I say love on yourself, I'm not saying it in a selfish way. I'm saying love on yourself far as if you need not to talk to people, if you need not to be on the phone, if you need not to just hear all the noise around you, even if it takes a couple of days of just relaxing in the areas of your home or wherever, it could be your car, anything that you enjoy, doing, just do it. Sometimes we need to take a break away of the everyday things that we see and people so we can have our peace. And it's not being selfish. I'm not saying like live your best life and just do crazy stuff. We're not talking about none of that. All that stuff is negative. We're talking about the healthy ways and the good ways of doing that. So yeah, guys, I don't really have much today. So, I mean, if I do have anything else, I do got some goodies though that I'm going to show y'all this week that I recently scored Friday. I'm trying to think how many things. Oh, just two things and swapped out a few, 2 things. Or 3 things, I don't know. But guys, I will see you all in another video. I'm gonna sit here and watch me some YouTube. Yeah, and then here is the canvas. So I don't know if you guys could see that or not, but I did fix that. So yeah, I hope you like it now, because I do. And guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.